friends, I'm so glad that you're here with me today. Today is a big day because you're going to show your teachers how much you've been working and how much you know and how big your brain is. Oh, man, you're going to blow them away. So today you're going to show me how much you know about solving problems and figuring out how many more to make 10. You'll learn to play a game called Get to a 10. For this game, you're going to use a spinner. How fun. And you're going to use the numbers 0 to 9. Now, before we get started, you know what we have to do. We have to go over all of our vocabulary words. Okay, so I really liked playing that guessing game yesterday, so I'm going to give a definition of the word, and you have to tell me which word I'm talking about. Okay? Are you ready? Let's go. Okay. I'm thinking of the word, and it means that the two numbers that you use to add together for in your equation. What is that? You're right. Add-ins is the numbers that you use to add together. Okay. Now I'm thinking of a word, and it means when you are using the symbols and numbers together. What is that? You're right, an equation, like 4 plus 1 equals 5. Now, I'm thinking of this word, and it's when you only have one number. You're right, a one-digit number, like the number 8. Oh my gosh, you are an expert at those vocabulary words. We've been practicing them so much. Are you ready to learn how to play Get a 10? We're going to learn how to play with some manipulatives at home, and you can learn how to play online. Okay, let's go. To play this game, you're going to need some paper and pencils, or you can use a dry erase board and some markers. You're also going to need a spinner, and here are the directions for the game. Now, the spinner, you can use a spinner that you get from your teacher, or you can make a spinner at home with paper, a pencil, and a paper clip. And if you remember how I've explained it before, you're going to put that paper clip down, that's going to act as your spinner, and you'll put your pencil right on top, and then flick. Okay, so first this is a partner game, so you're going to need a partner. Now, my partner is my friend who you've met before. Do you remember who it is? Doggy! And he is going to play with me today. Now, we're going to decide who is player X and who is player O. I'll be X, and Puppy Dog will be O. I'll go first. So let's suppose that I spin a 6. Let's just pretend I spin a 6. Okay? There I spun. And so I'm going to write 6 plus blank equals 10. Now I write the equation and I mark 4 with an X. I have captured X because I know that 6 plus 4 equals 10. So now it's Puppy Dog's turn, and she said that I could write for her because it's kind of hard for her to write with her paws. Now let's just pretend that Puppy Dog spins a 1. Oopsies, a 1. So what equation is Puppy Dog going to write? That's right, 1 plus blank equals 10. Now I'm going to capture whatever number goes in that blank. 1 plus, it's 9. So she's O's, remember, so I'm going to put an O around the number 9. She's captured number 9. And then she's going to write her equation. 1 plus 9 equals, move that ear, Puppy Dog, 10. Now, play will continue until all numbers are captured. If a player's missing add-in already has an X or an O on it, the player loses a turn. The winner is the player with the most numbers captured. A game can also end in a tie. Now I'm going to show you how you can play this game online using your online tools. How to use your online tools to play Get a 10. So we are going to work in lesson number 10. Remember, we're in number core, and we're going to play the game Get to a 10. Okay, so we are going to decide again who's going to be X and who will be 0, and we're going to take turns spinning the spinner, and then we're going to write an equation with a missing add-in that makes a 10, and then write an equation with your missing add-in, and then you're going to mark the missing add-in with an X or a 0. Okay, so let's begin. Page, you can work on page 19 or 20 and I hope you fill out both of them because you love this game and you're practicing so much. Okay, so let's unclick that right tool so that we can move our spinner. And we're going to reset. Start with clean tens frames. Okay, so I got the number 3. I'm going to come over here and write 3 plus blank equals 10. Doggy said it could be X again. Okay, now I'm going to fill in my tens frame. Remember to unclick that right tool so it doesn't keep writing. 1, 2, 3. Now I'm going to use my yellow counters to fill up my tens frame. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so I'm captured now the number 7. So let me write 7 in my equation. And I'm an X, and I'm going to X it out. All right, now it's Doggy's turn. Unclick that right tool, and Doggy spin. Oh, he got the number 9. So let's write the equation for Doggy. 9 plus, equals 10. Okay, great job. So, well, this is pretty easy. And Doggy's been practicing with his quick look circle cards. He doesn't have to use his tens frame. He knows that 1 is how many more you need to get to 10. So he's going to fill in his equation 1, and he's going to put an O around 1, and you can keep playing, and remember you can always use your tens frame. Now Doggy has been practicing and he didn't, so but it's okay if you need to. And you're going to keep playing until you have captured all your numbers, and whoever has the most numbers captured at the end wins. Now I hope you have so much fun, and like I said earlier, if you really love this game, you can also go on and play on page number 20 in your works. Work in your workspace book. So let's go over some of the directions. You're going to draw a loop around number pairs with a sum of 10, and then write a number to make a sum of 10, then draw the loop. And then here you're going to read the problem, write an equation with a blank, then write an equation with a solution. And then down here in this last section, you're going to write the missing add-in in each equation. Now I want you to take your time and work really hard, or use all the tools that we have gone over this week to show what you know. And when you're done, I want you to show your teacher how well you did, and she'll go over any mistakes you may have made. Now, if you've done a great job and you've made no mistakes, then you can go back and you can play any of the games that we have done so far in lessons 1 through 10. You can play Get It 10. You can play some of the other games in modules 1 through 5. Now, get started and work really hard. Don't give up. You got this, guys. Who is a math superstar? You are. You aced it. I'm so proud of you, and your teacher is so proud of you too. And your first grade teacher is just going to be blown away at how great you are at math. Oh my gosh. Let's celebrate. I want to do the snap, crackle, pop cheer. All right. Snap, crackle, pop. I had so much fun, guys. See you soon.